In C++, an operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform a specific operation, such as mathematical calculations or logical evaluations. Operators work with values or variables called operands. Here, the plus operator adds the two operands 5 and 3. C++ provides various types of operators, including arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operators, pointer operators, and typecasting operators. Arithmetic operators are used for basic mathematical operations. Addition adds two operands. Subtraction subtracts one operand from another. Multiplication multiplies two operands. Division divides one operand by another. And modulus gives the remainder of a division. Relational operators compare two operands and return a Boolean value. You can see in this example what every means. Logical operators evaluate conditions. Logical and returns true if both conditions are true. Logical OR returns true if at least one condition is true. Logical NOT reverses the condition's truth value. Bitwise operators work at the binary level. AND, OR, XOR, NOT, left shift, and right shift. Assignment operators are used to assign values. Equal sign assigns a value to a variable. Plus equal, minus equal, multiplication equal, and division equal perform the operation and assign the result to the variable. Increment and decrement operators. These operators increase or decrease a variable by 1. Increment adds 1 to the variable. Decrement subtracts 1 from the variable. That's because the language is called C++. It means that the language incremented, or, with other words, is upgraded compared to C. Conditional operators. C++ uses conditional statements like if-else to make decisions. That means if the condition is true, the code is true, or else the code is false. For example, if the variable zombies is equal to 0, then we have the text, "There are no zombies here." The condition is true. But if the condition is false, then we have the text, "Prepare for a zombie apocalypse." C++ also provides a shorthand ternary operator. What is a switch statement in C++? The switch statement is a control structure that allows you to execute one block of code from multiple options based on the value of a specific expression. It is a cleaner and more efficient alternative to using multiple if-else conditions when dealing with a single variable or expression. As a syntax, we have an expression, the value being evaluated. It must evaluate to an integral or enumeration type. Case value defines a condition to compare with expression. Break exits the switch block to prevent fall through to the next case. And default, which is optional, executes if none of the case values match the expression. How it works: the expression is evaluated. The program compares the result with each case value. When a match is found, the corresponding block of code executes. The break statement ensures the program exits the switch block after executing the match case. If no cases match, the default block, if present, executes. It is okay to use switch when checking a single variable or expression against multiple constant values, and for conditions based on int or char values, such as menus, state machines, or categorizing inputs. In this lesson, we explored the different operators in C++ and how they help us write logical and functional programs. Operators are essential tools for performing operations